Welcome to all of you. Today we will solve a simple problem in case of liquidation. Unfortunate Company Limited went into voluntary liquidation on 31/3/2019 when its position was as under. Secured creditors rupees 2 lakh including rupees 25,000 which are preferential. It means total unsecured creditor is 2 lakh. Out of 2 lakh, 25,000 is preferential creditors. Then remaining 1,75,000 is unsecured creditors. So 1,75,000 is unsecured, 25,000 is preferential. Secured creditors secured on plant and machinery stood at 1 lakh. So they are giving you secured creditors separately. Cash in hand was 5,000. Liquidator realized plant and machinery for 75,000 and other assets for 50,000. So we have cash in hand 5,000, plant and machinery sold 75,000, other assets sold 50,000. The liquidation expenses came to rupees 5,000. And liquidator remuneration was fixed at 4% of the amount realized, including cash balance. So remuneration on assets including cash is 4% and 2% on amount distributed to unsecured creditors, including preferential creditors. So that means 2% you should calculate on unsecured creditors and 2% on preferential creditors. You are required to prepare liquidator's final statement of accounts. So this is the answer for the above question. Cash 5,000, other assets 50,000, plant and machinery realized 75,000, total assets realized 1,30,000. Payment side secured creditors 75,000, liquidation expenses 5,000. Then we have liquidator remuneration is calculated on 3. Liquidator the ವೇತನ ಬಂದು 3 ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. On assets 4%, on preferential creditors 2% and on unsecured creditors 2%. On assets including cash 1,30,000 into 4%, we get 5,200. And on preferential creditors 2%, 25,000 into 2%, we get 500. And then on unsecured creditors, keep it pending. We shall check whether sufficient amount is available or not available. Unsecured creditor ಮೇಲೆ 2% ವೇತನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So unsecured creditor ಗೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ into 2 divided by 100. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ into 2 divided by 102. ತದನಂತರ unsecured creditor ಮೇಲೆ ವೇತನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next we have debenture. We don't have any debenture. Then we have preferential creditors 25,000. We have to pay preferential creditor 25,000. And now let us check how much amount you have with us. So receipt side we have 1,30,000. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಪಾವತಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 75,000. ಸೊ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ 75,000 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 5,000 minus remuneration to liquidator on assets 5,200 minus remuneration on preferential creditors 500 minus preferential creditor 25,000. So we have only 19,300. So against 1,75,000 1,75,000 ಕೊಡೋ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ವೇತನ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಹಣ ಬೇರೆ 19,300. We need to pay 1,75,000 to the unsecured creditors, but we have cash left 19,300. So we don't have sufficient money. So therefore remuneration to liquidator on unsecured creditor is 19,200 into 2 divided by 102. So we get 378 rupees. Total remuneration comes to 6,078. Then final amount payable to unsecured creditor is 18,922. We paid 10 paisa in a rupee. Thank you.